Richard Southern joins us now to chat about some of the day's top business stories. 1 year ago already that cannabis was legalized in Canada, and pot stocks are no longer the darlings of Bay Street, Richard.
No, I mean, people, Mark, were making money hand over fist over the past couple of years of these things. But over the past 12 months, nobody's been getting high on pot stocks. Take a look at this. Some of the biggest names in the sector have lost a lot of ground. Canopy Growth, biggest cannabis producer in Canada, stock down almost 60% over the past 12 months. Aurora down 65%. Tilray down 85%. Aphria down 67%. CanTrust down 87%. The easy money, Mark, has been made in these stocks. Now investors are looking for profits, which many of them have not been reporting. A lot of people think the real opportunity might lie in U.S. cannabis stocks. You know, if we have maybe a Democrat win just over a year from now, as far as the U.S. president is concerned, could be a different story as far as legalization in the States. One company in particular that rallied today, though, was Hexo, and that's on news, Mark, that it joined forces with Molson Coors to come out with cannabis-infused water, something we're going to see down the road.
Yes, I'm sure there's quite a few drinks. And, of course, edibles are legal as of today, and that opens up another new market.
Sure does, and it's going to be a big market, according to Deloitte. They think this edible market and the drinkable market for cannabis is going to be worth $2.5 billion a year here in Canada. It could actually, they think, Mark, be worth more than the products that are currently on sale, the cannabis products currently on sale. Deloitte also said that among current cannabis users, the most preferred edible format was gummies, followed by cookies, brownies, and chocolate. Gummies by far the most popular edibles in the United States. But, you know, Health Canada states that the gummies can't look appealing to children, but they kind of stop their mark as far as direction is concerned. So the manufacturers, they don't really know yet how they're going to produce these gummies where they don't look appealing, because, you know, you're going to make them a gray blob. They're not sure how they're going to go about this, Mark.
Now, what do you do if you have the munchies? You stream video, of course, right? And it's getting crowded by the day, but that doesn't stop Netflix from growing.
No, a lot of people Netflix and chilling or munchies or whatever you want to call it, Mark. They had some good earnings in yesterday, the streaming company. And for the first time, or for one of the first few times, they're revealing how many people are watching and what shows they're watching. When it comes to TV shows, it is Stranger Things, no surprise, leading the way. 64 million views for that 80s-based sci-fi thriller. Second place, The Umbrella Academy. This is a superhero television series, 45 million eyeballs on that. La Casa de Papel, 44 million views, and the show You had 40 million. Let's take a look at movies. They also revealed which original movies are being watched the most. Topping the list was the Sandra Bullock Bird Box movie, 80 million views for that. That's a big number. Adam Sandler's comedy Murder Mystery, second at 73 million. Triple Frontier had 52 million, and the movie Perfect Date had 48. By the way, they count a view, Mark, as anyone who's watched 70% of these movies or TV shows within 4 weeks of the premiere. But all these numbers are coming from Netflix, not a third party, so might want to take it with a grain of salt.
I haven't seen any of them.
Me neither. I was like, what's this now? It's The Umbrella Academy.
Behind the times, Richard, you and I. How about those gas prices?
Personally, I only watch CityNews, as you know. That's the only program I watch, as you know. Gas prices, Mark, going up just a penny at midnight tonight. And coming up on CityNews, just after 6:30, we're going to be looking at Moody's Analytics. They're known for their predictions, and they came out today, Mark, with who they think is going to win the 2020 U.S. presidential election. That's coming up on CityNews.
All right. Thanks, Richard.
Thanks.